welcome back to another episode of Island Adventure JA. Yeah, man, today river vibes again. So let me show you what I go on. So these are the vibes today. Check out the little scene here. You have Tori cousin and RJ down in the water. You have Kelani. Kelani, they used to sit down and wait. Say hi. I'm gonna see how Tanisha over here, so go and do up here a little setup. Yeah? Yeah? So see free? Come on, so stay tuned. See what happens. You know we put there already and things still. Pot and a whole heap of food, so just stay tuned. Check out the new devices. Well, I had this long time. I have this from last year. Yeah, you see my solar panel over here. You can charge with devices. Yeah, all the way in the street going up there. Yeah. The man and the whole pot set up already. What you say you're going to make again, Tanisha? What you say you're going to make again?
I'm going to make a Jamaican toto.
Toto?
Yes.
Tanisha says she'll do some
it's
toto.
a sweet dessert.
Yeah, Tanisha do some toto and me I do some steamed fish and crackers. And probably some curry chicken and white rice. Because I have a chicken and some rice and stuff, so you can see how the day work out. If the time permits, then we do both of them. But if not, we just do the steamed fish and the crackers. Yeah, so just stay tuned. One little kitty here. Hello, kitty. Man, over there is a deep. I jumped off a while ago, right down. Deep, man, but it's nice. This style, no? Oh, great coconut.
That's true.
A long time I see them as up here, because I'm not great on coconut and invent blender. No? Jamaican style. Yeah, everybody so watch this now. See fish here? Now 5 fish and a chicken. Where is this? Are you good? Alright? Enjoy yourself? Alright. Water cold, not you? About the lush vegetation. We're running now a little corner, you know. But it's nice still. Nah, like nice. You're dirty, you got the water you can't drink again, you know, because you're dirty too. Give it to me. So fire light up already, you know. Fire is lit, ready to go shortly. So this is another part of the river. Watch it start. You can go all the way up. This is the deeper part. Watch that. That's the deeper part. But the most active part of this river is on the weekend. Yeah, man, and the weekend is more active. Like a Saturday and a Sunday. Plenty of people on a Saturday and a Sunday.
Alright, so since just because we can't go on a river vacation fish, we have a purchase. Yeah, we purchase 3 fish then. At the fish store.
I know fish there, but nothing to catch them.
No, we're not catching. We just are using we have it today. So as I say, guys, the fish them already scale and good, so we don't have a lot of work to do. We just have to just clean them off and season them up, just like that.
Great. Just improvise. So if you see this happens as up me here, don't worry about it.
Bye bye then. Let me come. You like it?
Look at my lodge here.
As you can see here, we have carrot, garlic, hot peppers.
Jump now.
So we get the natural season them cut up now.
That everybody must hungry to the screen.
This to this, this to the gum season that we already have in the pot.
Oh. Yeah man, this is the total cold pot, so I light it up right now. Yeah, so. Right beside the river. Okay. You don't know what toto, no?
No.
RJ don't know what toto. But yeah, I gotta know it today. Tori, you know what toto? You don't know names, sir? Toto. You want to ask one name, sir? But yeah, I gotta know today. I'm not gonna tell you now, I'm not gonna see. Make them figure out one name, sir. We're not tell him when they see it, they see it. Green one. Chocha.
That's it, Georgia.
Bluetooth.
Baby, watch your baby.
Hey, come back up here, baby.
Don't fish are so big now. That one of them can hold in.
One of them can hold in the man.
You crackers and everything.
Alright, so when the fish is finished, you can take out the fish and then add the crackers.
Big.
Into you can't swim enough. Nah, go lie. Tanisha. What question that I asked people?
Bruno over there, sir. Hey, Bruno. Bruno. Yeah, Tanisha over there, sir. Upgrade to life jacket.
Worry. What a food worry.
Hey, place I get active. See there? Kill it and I go back in the water again. Kill it and I love the water. I know we don't put any chicken in it. Watch this. The chicken there. And the fish over there in the fish over there in the pot right now. Tanisha thing for the toto. Oh, you watch and see what I go on here. Stone the right one, the right this one. No, they fish them now go there now because people there nice. Wait. Wait, that's all. No fish them. No fish now there, so many people them there. They might over the side.
Then this is right.
Most of them.
They we deep underwater, you know, you just know, go see them. See them right there, so that.
Tanisha fire blaze up over there, so right now, watch it. You see?
Nothing to section right
A two reinforcement, you have one ball I want to float. You can't drown again. What is this? Is chicken here, so? This man and him come want to take it, you know, watch him. How are you? See him up there, so. Want to take me chicken. What is this now? Steam fish and crackers. The last time we did this was when?
About 2 months ago? Yeah, when we got White River.
I don't like this again. And the day there was chaotic. Need water video there. Man, the day when we go White River, fear problem, man. Vehicle problem, all type of problem. But yeah, watch that video because White River video was an epic video. White River, we went to Spanish Bridge and we watch and stuff after that. RJ feeding face, Tanisha, Tori. Is it good, my boss? And the puss there, look at the puss. Tori puss on food, watch it. Hey. Pure dirt, hey. She look pure dirt today. Hey. You need to go in the water? Want to go in the water? I don't know my type of song them, but we have to accept it same. One chop of the chicken, curry and stuff. So just stay tuned to see the rest. Curry chicken guys, yeah.
Curry chicken with white rice, you know?
Alright, watch it. Curry. Watch this. Wow, then send you to watch me, master. Watch you fish them. Yeah, them boy, they want to catch everything. Yeah, we still have it. I'm going to show some. Chicken big, you think the whole like?
You know, I have to put it like this.
Everything cut up. Watch your vibes.
Yeah,
Want to be fried on a little bit more. Get that one? What do you mean how they stay there? Up here, hey, up here is prettier than down there, sir. RJ. RJ say him not like up here, so. Man, what the hell? Hey, you're so slippery there. Come in, come in, come in. It's a slippery man, but it's nice. It's nicer than the one at the bottom. RJ. Wow, nice. Where you going, boy? Come. Huh? Not really. Brownie. Oh yeah, the girl. I say you swim. Hey, come here. Hey. Right, you ready? You know the theoretic video though. What? I saw like my you see me, you know. They say RJ, how your food taste?
Scrumptious.
Scrumptious.
Amazing.
The food taste, Tanisha.
It's nice.
Say good. Kelani. Kelani. Hey. Hey, mama.
What's your baby?
Say code.
One man.
Believe no man.
Believe no man.
Believe no man. Tanisha. Say believe no man. Tanisha don't understand a thing. No man. Believe. Oh.